Today we're going to take a closer look at Meta platforms and something I believe investors are overlooking, especially due to the huge noise that the metaverse is talking. But this company is actually making investments in somewhere more important and somewhere where I believe will make a bigger difference to the company. If this is your first time here, make sure to hit the thumbs up. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, check out the pinned comment for a lot of great links and also my tech channel. So let's get started.
I do want to thank The Motley Fool for sponsoring this video, and make sure to check out fool.com/Jose to get the top 10 stocks to buy right now.
We can see Meta platforms from its 52-week high. The stock is down roughly 55% at the moment. This is a huge hit. So like I mentioned earlier, I do believe many investors see that Meta platforms is spending or wasting, however you see it, money on the metaverse. But this company is also focusing a lot of money on something else, and that is artificial intelligence. And the reason being is, we can see from this article from The Verge, Facebook is trying to change its algorithm to obviously take on the likes of TikTok. Here we can take a closer look at that internal memo which came out April 27th of 2022, and we can see the previous priorities that Meta platforms had. And here we can actually take a closer look at their updated priorities. First is make Reels successful, and this is something that TikTok has done pretty well, so they're trying to mimic that success. The second thing they want to do is build world-class recommendation technology, and this is where TikTok and Facebook kind of have a difference. Where Facebook previously recommended you stuff that, hey, your friends posted or family members posted or someone you knew posted, where TikTok doesn't really care that much of who you follow and who your friends are. They actually do artificial intelligence to kind of recommend what you should watch next. And we're going to see this is actually driven a huge success to TikTok, and it's something Facebook is trying to replicate. So one of the biggest things that Meta platforms is trying to do is invest in artificial intelligence. And here if we take a closer look at TikTok statistics, which were updated on April 2022, we can see TikTok officially has over 1 billion monthly active users. Obviously this company is private, so we don't know how true this is, but the company has said that, hey, we have over 1 billion monthly active users. This article did really well, kind of showing us the reference of how the other social platforms are doing. Facebook, for example, has somewhere around 2.9 billion. YouTube has somewhere around 2.2. Instagram has somewhere around 1.4. So here we can see Meta platform solutions actually are doing a little bit better at the moment, but TikTok is growing at massive levels, overtaking Snapchat, Pinterest, and Twitter. And this chart actually shows where TikTok's strength is, and that's hours engagement. We can see at the end of 2021, TikTok users per month spent about 26 hours on their platform, where on Facebook it was roughly 16 hours, and on Instagram it was roughly 8 hours. So TikTok definitely had more eyes longer, and that's super important for the advertisement business, because the more eyes you have on your platform, the longer, the more ads you're going to be able to hit. The more ads you're going to be able to hit, the more money you're going to be able to make as an advertisement company, which TikTok is, which Meta platform is. So Meta platforms is trying to focus a lot of their investments in artificial intelligence to overall increase that engagement. And during Meta's platform's most recent earnings, which were a few months ago, they actually talked about this AI push. Here, when they talk about AI, it's not just a recommendation system for short form video, right? That's all TikTok does. They try to say, no, we're trying to do something better, but more a discovery engine that can show you the most interesting content that people have across their systems. For example, in Facebook, that includes not just videos, but also text, links, group posts, reshares, and more. In Instagrams, you also have things like photos and videos. So they're saying that, hey, yes, we are kind of mimicking TikTok, where we want to have artificial intelligence focused on the video short-term recommendations, which is going to lead to longer retention rates. Longer retention rates is going to lead to more ads. More ads is going to lead to more money in their revenue in forms of advertisement. It's also going to mean that, hey, more people are having more fun on Instagram, which is going to drive more creators to come to these platforms, and then the cycle kind of continues. So this is one of the reasons I'm actually bullish in the company. The reason being is this is a company that has plenty of money. They have a huge engineering team, and I do believe they have a huge success of being able to create this amazing discovery engine, which will overall shift the company and also make it less dependent on some of external data. For example, the big changes that Apple made definitely hurt the company. With this artificial intelligence push, it would actually kind of eliminate the need of things like that, because artificial intelligence would understand what the user wants to watch watch without having too much internal data on this customer and just having that first party data that it's collecting through its platforms. And like I mentioned, I feel like many investors at the moment just hear that this company is spending money on the metaverse, but it really is focusing a lot of its time in developing its core products, which I believe is super important. So let me know in the comments below, are you bullish or bearish on meta platforms at the moment? Take care, have a good day, and see you next time.